One of the best businesses you can start in the digital product space is selling children's storybooks. As many of you already know, children's books generate thousands of sales every single day on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. And of course, whenever a digital product category is generating that many sales, there's usually a challenge involved. In this case, it's creating the actual children's storybook. You need to write an entire story, design the book professionally, and then create promotional videos to market it effectively. My job is to teach you how to do all of that in a professional yet simple way. In this video, I promise that if you watch until the very end, you're going to discover something exciting. You'll learn how to create a professional children's storybook, how to find the most profitable niches, and then we'll learn together how to create a professional promotional video for the story. So make sure you stay until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like so I can continue creating content like this for you. Before we start designing, I've already created a special file for you that contains more than 50 children's story ideas that can help you generate sales quickly on Amazon. If you'd like to get this file, simply leave me a comment and I'll send it to you. Not only that, but inside this file, I've also included a professionally crafted master prompt designed to help you use AI to create complete children's stories with just one click. This makes the entire process significantly faster and easier. For this video, I'm going to choose the very first niche on the list, which is ADHD stories. Then I'll head directly over to Etsy and search for it. You'll quickly notice that the storybooks in this niche are generating sales, which proves that I've selected some of the most profitable niches for you. I spent days researching, analyzing, and validating these niches to make sure they have strong demand and real sales potential. Now, the really exciting part, my friend, is that we're going to use the incredible platform Topview AI in this video. We've used it before and achieved amazing results with it. But what's even better is that they've recently introduced an incredible feature called Topview Canvas. This feature allows us to build an entire project inside one organized board. Everything stays in one place, making the workflow much smoother and more efficient. It also includes a very powerful AI chat agent. All you need to do is give it a request such as, "Write me a children's story about this topic," and it will immediately begin analyzing the concept and generating a story outline for you. The great thing is that you can review every step before it creates the images and videos. This helps reduce mistakes, lowers your credit usage, and saves you money at the same time. It's an incredibly smart workflow. The whole experience is honestly impressive, and I think you're going to be amazed by what you're about to see in just a few moments. I genuinely plan to use this feature in all of my future projects because I'm that impressed by it. Topview Canvas is the first storyboard-first infinite canvas designed specifically for AI video creation. It helps users visualize ideas through AI-generated storyboard frames, organize scenes on a flexible infinite canvas, receive creative support from an advanced AI agent, and generate high-quality videos with a single click using Seedance 2.0. Once you see how everything works together, you'll understand why I'm so excited about this tool and why it has become one of my favorite AI creation platforms. Now let's move on to the practical part of the tutorial. I'll start by clicking on Canvas, and then I'll click on Create New Project. One of the things I really love is that every project inside Canvas is powered by a highly advanced AI chat agent. What's even better is the level of control you have throughout the entire process. From the menu on the left side, you can add text, upload images, generate AI images separately, create videos, generate audio, and much more. But as I promised you earlier, we're going to create the entire children's story and all of the promotional videos with just one prompt. That's what makes this workflow so exciting. So I'll go back to the file I prepared for you and copy the master prompt that I included at the end of the document. Then I'll return to Topview Canvas and paste the prompt right here. After that, I'll go back to the file one more time and choose a story topic. For this example, let's create a children's story about kindness. All I need to do is copy the word kindness, return to Topview Canvas, and replace the word sub-niche inside the prompt with kindness. That's it. The setup is incredibly simple and straightforward. Next, I'll choose which AI model I want to communicate with. In my case, I'm definitely going to use GPT 5.5 because it's the newest chat agent available, and I'm confident the results are going to be amazing. Once everything is ready, I'll click the white arrow button to start the process. The AI agent immediately begins analyzing the prompt and then starts building the entire project for me. It writes the complete story, describes the characters, defines the environment where the story takes place, and organizes everything in a professional and incredibly fast way. What really impressed me is that it doesn't stop there. It also generates a detailed description for every page of the storybook and even prepares descriptions for the promotional videos we're going to create. The speed and accuracy are honestly incredible. Seeing all of these details generated automatically in such a short amount of time is something that genuinely impressed me. It handles everything from the story structure to the visual planning with remarkable precision. Once it's finished generating the story title, character descriptions, story pages, and even the video concepts we'll use for YouTube and social media marketing, it asks me to review everything before moving forward. And this is one of my favorite features inside Topview Canvas. At every stage, it asks for your approval. If there's anything you want to change, you can adjust it immediately before moving on. This helps ensure that the images and videos are professional from the very beginning, while also saving a lot of credits and money. After reviewing all of the details, I honestly don't see anything that needs to be changed. Everything looks excellent. So I'll simply type OK and allow the AI agent to continue. Now it starts creating a detailed overall description of the story. This is another section you should always review carefully before generating the images and videos. I've checked everything, and once again, it looks great, so I'll type OK one more time. Now the system begins creating the general card for our story. This is usually the first major step in any project. And remember, this is a large project with many moving parts, so pay close attention to how professionally and efficiently Topview Canvas organizes everything. After generating the first card, you should always review both the content and the images carefully. Personally, I'm extremely impressed with the quality of the result, so I'm ready to continue. To move to the next phase, all I need to do is type "Move on." And honestly, I believe this review-based workflow is one of the strongest features of Topview Canvas. Unlike many other AI tools where you simply enter a prompt and instantly receive an image or video, this platform breaks the process into carefully managed stages. Every step is planned, reviewed, and optimized before moving forward, making the entire creation process much more accurate and professional. Now that we've instructed the AI to continue, you'll see it start generating a detailed description for every single scene in the story. After reviewing those descriptions, you'll once again tell it to continue so it can generate the visual cards for each scene. As I've mentioned before, I highly recommend reviewing every scene carefully before advancing to the next stage. This small step can dramatically improve the final quality of your project. At this point, you'll notice that the first thing it creates is the character set for our story, and it does this in an incredibly professional way. It generates the characters from multiple angles and perspectives so they can be used consistently throughout the project. One of the most impressive things is that it maintains character consistency across the entire story and all of the promotional videos. The characters don't suddenly change from scene to scene, which is a huge advantage for story-based content. This consistency comes from the platform's excellent ability to reference and reuse character images inside the prompts it generates. Everything about the workflow feels polished and well-designed. From the tools it selects, to the characters it creates, to the environments it builds, every part of the process is genuinely impressive to me. Since everything looks perfect so far, I don't need to make any changes. So now I'll tell the AI agent to continue generating the detailed scene breakdowns for every page of the story using the characters it has already created for me. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Let's keep going and see how it brings the entire story to life. Now that the AI has finished writing all of the detailed scene descriptions for the story, it also provides the prompts used for each scene, so you can review them before generating any images or videos. This is another feature that I really appreciate. You can generate a video immediately by clicking Generate Video using the prompt provided, or you can first create a few images to review the quality before moving on to video generation. This approach helps reduce credit usage and gives you more control over the final result. Since this is a tutorial video, let's generate a storyboard for each scene first and see how everything looks before creating the final videos. Once the images are generated, you'll immediately notice how professional they look. The quality is excellent, and most importantly, the characters remain consistent across all of the images. This is one of the biggest challenges when creating children's books and animated story content, yet Topview Canvas handles it extremely well. The characters maintain the same appearance from scene to scene, which creates a much more professional and polished final product. Now it's time to create the videos using these images. All I need to do is click the Generate Video button. And by the way, before generating the video, you can still edit absolutely anything you want. Whether it's the prompt, the images, the scene descriptions, or other project elements, everything remains flexible and easy to modify. This gives you complete creative control throughout the entire production process. Now let's take a look at the video results together. One thing I really like is how organized everything is. The platform places all of your generated video clips into one frame, making it easy to preview, review, and combine everything together. Let's play the video and see the result.
What if one tiny kindness could light up a whole meadow? At school, Milo saw Leela sitting all alone. Everywhere Milo looked, Leela seemed to need a little kindness. Milo wanted to help, but his brave feeling felt very small.
Kindness does not need to be big.
Little lights can brighten big feelings. So Milo shared his favorite blue crayon.
I saved you my favorite sky color.
Soon, Milo found little ways to help everywhere. When the leaf ball fell in mud, Milo knew what to do. We can fix this together.
Then Milo saw someone else who needed help. Milo learned that kindness lives in every brave little heart. Even the smallest kind act can make the world brighter.
As you can see, the video looks extremely professional and visually engaging. For children, this type of content can be incredibly captivating and entertaining. The storytelling, visuals, and character consistency all work together beautifully. But as I promised you earlier, my goal wasn't just to create a story video. The real objective is to create a complete children's book that we can sell on Etsy and Amazon. That's why I started with the video first, and now we're moving on to the next step, creating the actual book. The process is surprisingly simple. All I need to do is return to the AI chat agent and ask it to create 10 storybook pages using the story we've already generated. Within seconds, it creates professional prompts using all of the images, characters, and story assets that were generated earlier. It then uses those elements to build each page of the book. Now let's take a look at the results. Honestly, the outcome is amazing. The platform has successfully created professional storybook pages, and each page contains the story text in a format that children can enjoy reading themselves or that parents can read aloud to their children. I'm genuinely impressed by what I'm seeing. It uses the same characters consistently, writes the story in a natural and engaging way, creates matching illustrations, and even generates promotional videos using those same characters. Everything feels connected and professionally designed from beginning to end. This level of consistency is something that normally requires a tremendous amount of manual work, yet Topview Canvas is handling it with remarkable efficiency. I have to say, I really enjoyed working with Topview Canvas. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the video description. What I love most is how organized everything is. Every element of the project can be managed directly from the board, helping you keep large projects structured and professional. And if you want to make changes, the editing process is incredibly simple. You can adjust almost anything without having to start over. I truly hope you found today's video helpful and valuable. If you use this feature correctly, I'm confident that it can help you create new opportunities to earn money online through children's books, story videos, educational content, and much more. The possibilities are huge, and this is one of the most impressive AI-powered workflows I've seen for content creation. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.